What it do, YouTube? Going a little late night or late morning drive. Hey, man, I'm tired. Hey, I'm really tired. Hold up. Grab this real quick. Alright, I'm back. Oh, man, just left church. My auntie gave a great sermon. But, yeah, man, this is where we have our family reunion at. I really wish I can go to the dinner for the farewell, but ooh, that's another 2 hours and 15 minutes. So I'm tired. I ain't go to sleep till like 4-something in the morning. I was like, yeah, man, I'm about to just grab something to eat, hit the road. And I was like, man, I might as well make a video. I meant to do this yesterday, but I was like, yeah, I'll just do it another time. I was like, nah, I'll do it next day, cause I'm coming right back out here. But I hope y'all doing well. Hope y'all had a great weekend. I know I did 2 family reunions. Helped out at a semi-pro basketball game. I ain't really feel like playing in it. I just said, hey, kind of gave my support for the team, helped out as I can. And yeah, you probably can hear my voice, I'm tired. Alright. Between the streaming, creating videos, I streamed Friday. I didn't have time yesterday. I was going to, but the time, it was like I didn't have the energy to stream and go out. I needed a nap for really both of them, either or. But I got some content to help out with a video I'm trying to create. Yeah, man, just out here in the country town. Beautiful though. This is a beautiful area. Dang. My camera just be doing what it want to do sometimes. I ain't gonna even lie to you. What's so beautiful about it is all the land that's here. Like if you buy a farm and just put one house on it, the land is still beautiful. It's when people put like 30 houses on that land to make it look I ain't gonna lie, I would hate to drive on these back streets. I ain't gonna even call them back streets, but I hate to drive on these streets when it's raining. There ain't not one light pole out here. It's when you really drive by faith. It's real peaceful. And I ain't gonna lie. Hey, T-Mobile, y'all didn't lie to me when I talked to y'all on the phone. So y'all got better service out here. I literally had great cell phone service on all my phones. I even uploaded what was it, about 60% of a video of if y'all ain't checked it out, I did I'm doing my NCAA Road to Glory series. And I did the first episode, I edited and everything before they started doing everything in the reunion. At the first reunion, I went to 2 reunions yesterday. So I had to drive about an hour to the first one. I made it there like a little bit after 11 a.m. So I was on the road from like 10 a.m. and I ain't make it back home till 10:30. Yeah, what I do? I did 11 to about 2:45 at 1. Then the other one I got there about 4 something. It was traffic too. That was like an hour and 15 to the other place. So then make it back home to 4:30. God dang, my camera just keep doing what it want to do. Lock in. Did that. Then it was like 6 or 7 something. My cousin called me and said, "Hey, what you doing tonight?" I said, "Hey, nothing at the moment. I might," you feel me? She was like, "Oh, we all come to Nashville to go to Lynx. Come out with us." I'm like, God dang. I was like, it's cool. At least let me know enough time I can go take a nap. I was like, yeah, I can make it home. But really, if I was like left at 7, I was like, I can go home, take a nap, get up and stream, get ready, and be outside. I was like, I can get a good 2-hour nap, get a 2-hour stream in, and be outside by 1. You feel me? Nope. I made it home an hour and a half after the time I planned on waking up from my nap. It was like, it's cool. And then I planned out today. I was like, oh man, I can really lock in today. I'm gonna go home. I'm about to grab something to eat right quick before I hop on the interstate to go home. Cause it's about 40 to a 50-minute drive back home. I'm gonna grab something to eat because I haven't ate yet. And then I'm gonna go home and go to sleep. Actually, I'm gonna watch the Joe Budden podcast after I get done with y'all. No disrespect. That's why I was watching. Good conversation so far. Yeah, go home, sleep. I'm only gonna watch one of the Pro AM games because 2 people I know is coaching one team. It's always a blessing when they both coach the same team, and you just have to support one on times like this. Normally I stay for like at least 2 of the games. And they got the first game. That's what the blessing is. They got the very first game. So I'm like, I'm gonna go watch that, duck out after that, come home, maybe have to do a couple of things, and right after that, stream until it's time to go skating. I was like, man, I need, to be honest, I haven't got no sleep this whole weekend. Like, even starting from Thursday, man, my muscle was feeling tight, and it just would not let me sleep. So I ain't go to sleep till like 4 a.m. going into Friday. Actually, it was after 4:30 a.m. And then I woke up around 7 or 8, just because my body just always naturally wake up at that time. There go Wendy's. I wanted Burger King. That's what I wanted. The old switcheroo. I could do Wendy's biggie bag. That's what we're gonna do is Wendy's. But yeah, I woke up early. I think I took a little nap. Then right back at it. Hey, when y'all go to Wendy's, what do y'all get? I got an $8 junior bacon cheeseburger meal. I wonder what that entails. But yeah, I'm about to order this food and eat it, and I don't want to hear it. I don't want y'all to hear me smacking. So I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.